Okay, good afternoon students. My name is N. Ramesh, qualification MSc BD Mathematics. Today I will discuss about the topic Maths 1A. Maths 1A. Trigonometric ratios of compound angles. Today we will discuss about the chapter trigonometric ratios of compound angles. Trigonometric ratios of compound angles. Already we know the trigonometric ratios. Today the trigonometric ratios are 6 ratios: sine, cos, tan, cosec, secant and cot. Okay, trigonometric ratios of compound angles. What is the definition of compound angles? Definition. What is the definition of compound angle? Okay, compound angle means the algebraic sum of two or more angles is called compound angle. Compound angle means the algebraic sum of two or more angles is called compound angle. Compound angle. Okay, for example, A, B, C are three angles, then compound angles are algebraic sum means that is either addition or subtraction is called algebraic sum. Addition or subtraction. Okay, A, B, C are three angles. What are the compound angles for three angles? A plus B, sum of two angles, B plus C. This is also a compound angle, sum of two angles, C plus A minus B. Minus is also algebraic sum. Algebraic sum means that is either addition or subtraction. A minus B, B minus C, C minus A. Some algebraic sum of two angles, two or more angles. And next one, A plus B plus C, the algebraic sum of two or more angles. Here how many angles are there? Three angles. So A plus B plus C, A plus B minus C, A minus B minus C, and etc. These angles are called compound angles of ABC angle. ABC are three angles. Then what is the compound angle for these three angles? A plus B, B plus C, C plus A minus B, B minus C, C minus A plus B plus C, A plus B minus C, A minus B minus C, and so on, etc. These angles are called compound angle. Simply, what is the definition of compound angle? The algebraic sum of two or more angles are called compound angles. Okay, students, understand? Everyone note this one. What is the date today? Today date is 12 Okay, everyone note this one. Okay, completed. Okay, next one. Formulas. Trigonometric ratios of compound angle. First one, sine of a plus b. Sine of a plus b is equal sine a cos b plus cos a sine b. Second one, sine of a minus b. Sine a cos b minus cos a sine b. Next formula, cos of a plus b. Cos of a plus b formula is cos a cos b minus sine a sine b. Fourth one, cos of a minus b. Cos of a minus b formula, cos a cos b plus sine a sine b. Next, fifth one, tan of a plus b. Tan of a plus b formula, tan a plus tan b by 1 minus tan a tan b. Next, sixth one, tan of a minus b. Tan of a minus b formula, tan a minus tan b by 1 plus tan a into tan b. Next one, cot of a plus b. Cot of a plus b formula, cot a cot b minus 1 by cot b plus cot a. And last one, cot of a minus b. Cot of a minus b formula, cot a cot b plus 1 by cot b minus cot a. These 8 formulas are trigonometric ratios of compound angles. Sine of a plus b formula, sine a cos b plus cos a sine b. Sine of a minus b, sine a cos b minus cos a sine b. Cos of a plus b, cos a cos b minus sine a sine b. Cos of a minus b, cos a cos b plus sine a sine b. Tan of a plus b, tan a plus tan b by 1 minus tan a tan b. Tan of a minus b, tan a minus tan b by 1 plus tan a tan b. Cot of a plus b, cot A cot B minus 1 by cot B plus cot A, cot of A minus B, cot A cot B plus 1 by cot B minus cot A. Okay, everyone note this one. Very important formulas అమ్మా ఇవి. ఈచ్ అండ్ ఎవ్రీ మెంబర్ కూడా బై హార్ట్ చేయాల్సిందే ఇవి, అండ్ ఫార్ములాస్ ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయాల్సిందే. ఓకే, everyone note this one.
Only one first year 3 part, third year మీ ఫోన్ ఉంది, నెక్స్ట్ సెకండ్ ఇయర్ 3 మీ ఫోన్ ఉంది, మొత్తం 4. పెట్టుకోవచ్చు కదా, దీని పక్కన నాకు వెయిట్ రాదండి సార్, ఇలా ఆపేసిన ఇట్లా మీకు ఆగిపోతుంది. తప్పన చేస్తే సార్ ఆమె మేము నవ్వుతూనే పోతుంది తెలుసా, ఇస్తున్నాడు.
Okay, completed. Okay, next one. Find the values of first one sin 75 degrees, second one cos 75 degrees, third one tan 75 degrees, fourth one cot 75 degrees. Find the values of sin 75 degrees, cos 75 degrees, tan 75 degrees and cot 75 degrees. Okay, listen here. We can find the values of this angle by using compound angle. We know the value of 75 degrees angle value. We know the values of only 0 degrees, 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees and 90 degrees. First one, sin 75 degrees. Sin 75 degrees equal 75 can be written as, by using compound angle, 45 degrees plus 30 degrees. 45 plus 30. So this ratio is in the form of sin of A plus B. Sin of A plus B. What is the formula of sine of a plus b? Sine a cos b plus cos a sine b. Sine of a plus b formula. By using this formula, this ratio can be written as sine 45 into cos 30 plus cos 45 into sine 30. We know the values of 45 degrees and 30 degrees of angle ratios. What is the value of sine 45? 1 by root 2 into what is the value of cos 30? Root 3 by 2 plus what is the value of cos 45? 1 by root 2. Sin 30 value is 1 by 2. Root 3 by 2 root 2 plus 1 by 2 root 2. So totally LCM is here. 2 root 2 is LCM. The numerators are root 3 plus 1. This is the value of sin 75 degrees value. Okay, note this one. Okay, completed. What's the second one? Cos 75 degrees. Okay, now solution for this second one. Cos 75 degrees. 75 degrees can be written as, by using related angle, can be written as 45 plus 30. This compound angle is in the form of cos of a plus b. What is the formula of cos of a plus b? Cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. By using this compound, this formula, this ratio can be written as cos 45. A is a 45 degrees, B is a 30 degrees. So this total ratio is in the form of cos of A plus B. Cos of A plus B can be written as, by using compound angle, cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. So cos 45 into cos 30 minus sin 45 into sin 30. What's the value of cos 45? 1 by root 2. And cos 30? Root 3 by 2 minus sin 45 1 by root 2 into sin 30 1 by 2. So totally LCM is here. 2 root 2 is the LCM and numerators are root 3 minus 1. So what is the value of cos 75? Cos 75 degrees value is root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2. Okay, everyone note this one. Old student, no? Old student. Okay. Subjects are తెలుగు రమేష్ సార్ okay completed. What is the next third one? Tan 75 degrees and fourth one cot 75 degrees. Okay, third one tan 75 degrees. Tan 75 can be written as tan of 45 plus 30. This ratio is in the form of tan of a plus b. What is the formula of tan of a plus b? Tan of a plus b is equal formula tan a plus tan b by 1 minus tan a into tan b. That equal tan of a plus b, tan a, tan 45 plus tan 30 by 1 minus tan 45 into tan 30. What's the value of tan 45? 1 plus, what's the value of tan 30? 1 by root 3 by 1 minus 1 into 1 by root 3. So totally on the numerator LCM is root 3. The numerators are root 3 plus 1 by denominator LCM is root 3. Numerators are root 3 minus 1. So here root 3 get cancelled. Remaining root 3 plus 1 by root 3 minus 1. Now rationalizing the denominator term. Rationalizing means multiplying and dividing with conjugate of the denominator. What's the conjugate of denominator? Root 3 plus 1. Denominator is root 3 minus 1. So conjugate of root 3 minus 1 is root 3 plus 1. So rationalizing the denominator term. Root 3 plus 1 into root 3 plus 1. Root 3 plus 1 whole square by the denominator terms is in the form of a minus b into a plus b. Can be written as a square minus b square. A is here root 3, b is here 1. So your numerator term is in the form of a plus b whole square. Applying here a plus b whole square formula, a square root 3 whole square plus 1 square plus 2 into root 3 into 1 by 3 minus 1. Root 3 square 3 plus 1 plus 2 root 3 by 3 minus 1 2. So 3 plus 1 4 plus 2 root 3 by 2. So totally here what the common term? On the numerator common term is 2. 2 of 2 plus root 3 by 2. So 2 get cancelled. That equal 2 plus root 3. So what is the value of tan 75 degrees? Tan 75 degrees value is 2 plus root 3. Okay, what this one? Okay, completed. What is the next last one? Last one is cot 75 degrees. So fourth one, cot 75. Cot ratio is a reciprocal of which ratio? Tan. So cot 75 can be written as 1 by tan 75. Already we know the value of tan 75. What is the value of tan 75? Tan 75 value is 2 plus root 3. 1 by 2 plus root 3. Now rationalizing the denominator term. Rationalizing means multiplying and dividing with conjugate. 2 plus root 3 conjugate is 2 minus root 3. So 1 into 2 minus root 3. 2 minus root 3 by denominator terms is in the form of a plus b into a minus b. So a square minus b square. That equal 2 minus root 3 by 4 minus 3. So 2 minus root 3 by 1. That equal 2 minus root 3. This is the value of cot 75 degrees value. This is the first method. Tan 75 value తెలిస్తే ఇలా find out చేస్తాము. For example, we don't know value of tan 75 degrees. How can you find the cot 75 value? By using compound angle, 75 degrees can be written as 45 plus 30. Cot of a plus b formula. Cot a cot b plus 1 by cot b minus cot a. Okay, by using compound angle cot of a plus b, we can find the value of cot 75 degrees. Okay, everyone note this one. Okay, students, completed. Okay, the remaining problems will be continued in the next class. Thank you.